Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you 50 years old Lux Tweenie, her secret age. This magical remedy works like a very expensive product, yet it's very easy and simple to prepare at home. It works overnight, my friends. It removes wrinkles overnight and it's very easy to prepare at home, and it works like magic. I promise you, you will see magical results overnight. So the first thing we'll need to prepare this magical remedy: in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and cornstarch can be easily available in the grocery stores. And then, my friends, we'll need to add to it 4 teaspoons of natural milk. And then, my friends, we'll need to add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. And then, my friends, we'll need to add the magical ingredient, which is 1 tablespoon of rosemary. And rosemary, it's an herb that contains a powerful antioxidant that diminish the skin damaging effect of free radicals, and it also contains anti-aging properties. The stimulating the properties of rosemary help restore elasticity of the skin, making the skin firm and supple again. Rosemary also encouraging the cell growth, which will reduce the fine lines and remove wrinkles overnight. So now, my friends, we will need to place it into a grinder or a food processor to grind it to a very fine powder, or as fine as we can get it to. And then, my friends, after grinded it fine, add it to the remedy that we made and mix very well. After you mix and combined all the ingredients and they got soaked, and we need to plastic wrap it and leave it overnight in the fridge. And on the next morning, remove the plastic wrap and we need to strain the remedy like so, my friends. After straining the remedy, we need to place it underneath double boiler method, or place it on a low heat on the stove and keep mixing very well until it gets to a thick cream like so, my friends. Once it got to a cream texture like so, my friends, apply it on your skin, massage your skin with it. You can apply it on hands, on face, on feet, on any body part that you do have wrinkles and you want to remove the wrinkles permanently. Leave it overnight, my friends. This cream, you shouldn't wash it or rinse it. You need to leave it overnight, and on the next morning you'll be shocked by the results because it removes wrinkles permanently. It works like a very expensive product. It's very effective, my friends, and the shelf life to store it in the fridge in an airtight container, and it will be good to use for up to 10 days. So I'm sure this magical remedy will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.